2025 Nissan Armada Review. From a sleek redesign and a twin-turbo V6 engine to a tech-loaded cabin that rivals luxury brands, the 2025 Armada is here to shake up the game. And yes, Nissan has finally addressed the one issue critics wouldn't stop talking about. Exterior redesign. The first thing you'll notice? The completely redesigned exterior. The 2025 Armada ditches the old-school blocky styling and leans into a more aerodynamic, athletic profile. The front fascia is aggressive but refined with a massive V-motion grille, sleeker LED headlights, and daytime running lights that wrap around like futuristic eyebrows. 22-inch alloy wheels? You got it. Wider stance? Absolutely. This thing looks ready to conquer highways and trails. Engine and performance. Let's talk power. The 2025 Armada says goodbye to the old 5.6L V8 and hello to a brand new twin-turbo 3.5L V6 engine. Engine specs pop up: 420 HP, 450 lb-ft torque. Don't let the smaller displacement fool you. This V6 cranks out 420 horsepower and 450 lb-ft of torque. That's more power and torque than the outgoing V8, with better fuel economy. And yes, it still tows up to 8,500 pounds. Interior overhaul. Step inside, and you'll immediately feel the difference. Nissan has finally brought the Armada's interior into the modern era. A massive 12.3-inch touchscreen now dominates the dash, paired with a fully digital 12-inch instrument cluster. You've got wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a head-up display, and an optional Bose premium sound system that'll make you rethink your playlist. Space and comfort. This is a full-size SUV, so space is the name of the game. With seating for up to 8 and class-leading third-row legroom, the Armada is built for big families and long road trips. Plus, the power-folding rear seats and hands-free tailgate make loading up the back as easy as saying Armada, open sesame. Okay, that's not a real feature yet. Tech and safety. Nissan is packing the 2025 Armada with its latest safety tech, including ProPILOT Assist 2.0, their semi-autonomous driving system. You've also got a 360-degree camera, blind spot warning, rear cross-traffic alert, and automatic emergency braking. The Armada doesn't just protect, it predicts. Trim levels and pricing. The 2025 Armada will be available in SV, SL, Platinum, and the brand new Platinum Reserve trim. Think luxury SUV vibes without the six-figure price tag. Starting price? Around $58,000 for the base model, and up to $75,000 plus fully loaded. Not bad when you compare it to rivals like the Tahoe or Expedition. Comparison to rivals. Let's compare. Chevy Tahoe? Still V8 powered but less tech and comfort. Ford Expedition? Solid but pricier. Toyota Sequoia? Hybrid power, but tighter third row. The Armada lands in a sweet spot, luxury-adjacent design. Big power, big space, and a price that doesn't crush your soul. Off-road and capability. Think the Armada's just a city cruiser? Think again. With standard rear-wheel drive and available 4WD, the 2025 Armada is still built to handle snow, sand, and everything in between. The new suspension setup and revised chassis give it better ride comfort and more stability on uneven terrain. It's rugged, but refined. Final thoughts and verdict. So what do we think? The 2025 Nissan Armada is the most complete version of this SUV we've ever seen. More power, more tech, more style, more everything. Nissan has done what needed to be done, modernized a full-size SUV without losing its soul. The V8 may be gone, but the spirit of the Armada lives on. So, would you take the new Armada over a Tahoe or a Sequoia? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Make sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe for more car deep dives every week. And don't forget to ring that bell so you never miss a ride. Thanks for watching.